Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact PowerPoint file you plan to share so you're not sending drafts. Once done, save a final copy locally or to OneDrive. This prevents accidental edits. Make sure your slides are in the intended order and that linked media is embedded or accessible. If you plan to share during a live meeting, close bandwidth-heavy programs to keep performance smooth. Now you're ready to move from preparing the file to selecting your sharing method. Next, pick how you'll share: link, file, or live presentation. Use File Share to create a OneDrive/SharePoint link and set view or edit permissions. This keeps a single source of truth. If recipients need a non-editable version, export as PDF or save as a copy and send that file. For live delivery, open Slideshow and choose Presenter View or use Record Slideshow to create a timed video. Make sure permissions align with who should edit versus view. Finally, distribute or present. If sharing a link, paste it into email or chat and confirm permission settings. If sending a file, attach the correct exported copy. For live sessions, start Slideshow and choose Present Online or share your screen from the meeting app, then monitor attendee view. If someone reports missing audio or video, make sure media is embedded, check codecs, and provide a direct download link as backup. One key tip: resave the file after embedding media to lock in changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.